Hi there, I've been making my own antibacterial hand sanitizing gel recently, and a few people have been asking me how to make it, so I thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to do it. I know it's a little bit off topic from what I normally do, but obviously I think it's useful in these unusual times. So to make hand gel, really simple. You only need two ingredients. You need your isopropyl alcohol, or however you pronounce it. It must be 100% or 99.999% purity. For this to work, the end mix has to be over 60% alcohol. So we're going to dilute it down with the hand cream. The pure aloe vera stuff's better. This is like a shea butter mix. It's all I could get in these times. It works just as good. The alcohol obviously sterilizes your hand, and then the hand cream repairs the damage that alcohol does. So that's why we're mixing them together. So as I say, it must be 100% alcohol or thereabouts. If you can't get this stuff, methylated spirits would work, but it's not particularly pleasant. You can't use vodka contrary to what it says on the internet. Vodka is only about 40% alcohol by volume, so it's not strong enough to kill the bugs basically. So here's how to make it. Now we're looking for over 60% alcohol. We don't want to go too much because that basically destroys your hand, and this is the point of the hand cream. So we'll add in 35 grams of hand cream. And then we'll take our rubbing alcohol and we'll make that up to 100 grams. So we've got 65 grams of rubbing alcohol in there. So this is going to be about a 65% pure mixture of alcohol. There you go, 100 grams. So it's got to be over 60, so that's perfect. A little bit of a margin of error. Right, I'm going to use this whisk. It's like a pound from IKEA. Put it in there. Mix it up. And you see it all goes together. Obviously, I'm using a frother, so it's got a bit of froth to it. That'll settle down a little bit. So before you put it in your bottles, you might just want to let the air fall out of it. And that's probably about good enough. So just get a teaspoon, try a little bit. So rub it into your hands. And there you go. The alcohol kills all the bugs, evaporates away, and just leaves you the hand cream to try and repair the damage that the alcohol's just done. And there you go. It's as simple as that. And then you just need something to put it in. You know, you've got old shampoo bottles you could have put it in, little hand pump bottles, of course your old empty hand gel bottles. Obviously a little funnel helps to get it in there. Well, I hope that was useful and hope to see you on the next one. Cheers now, bye bye.